At Bicol University College of Education, shaping future educators begins with a deep commitment to excellence. In these halls, teacher training is more than instruction. It's a calling and a mission. The path to professional teaching in the Philippines starts with passing a licensure examination, an assessment of both foundational knowledge and pedagogical depth. While many Bicol University graduates succeed, a significant number struggle, highlighting a need for enhanced preparation. In response, the college implemented a groundbreaking system, scenario-based assessments, designed to mirror real-life teaching challenges. These scenarios deepen understanding and sharpen thinking. Learning integration classes now feature assessments followed by rationalization and concept integration, transforming theory into practice through critical dialogue. The impact was remarkable. Exam performance soared, and for the past 3 years, the college has been hailed as a top-performing teacher education institution. Some graduates even ranked in the national top 10, clear evidence that innovative assessment translates to exceptional achievement. By bridging theory and practice through scenario-based learning, Bicol University fosters deeper understanding and critical thinking, preparing educators not just to teach, but to transform lives. From questions to insights, learning that empowers.